Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily get a US phone number for Amazon. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can easily get a US phone number that you can use for your Amazon verification. So the name of the website we're going to be using is smsco.io. I'm also going to add a link at the description of the video, so you can just go there, create an account with this website. So once you've created an account with them, what you want to do is to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to see something like this. So as you can see from your dashboard here, you can see that you can get US phone number for SMS verification, for voice verification, and you can also rent US phone number that you can retain for many purposes. So what we want to do now is to come over here, then click on get number. So when you click on the get number, it's going to redirect you to services on the website that you can use the US phone number for. So for the sake of this video, the US phone number we are trying to get is for Amazon. So what you want to do now is to come over here, then search for Amazon. So here I'm just going to search for Amazon. Now once you enter Amazon, so what you want to do is click on find service here. So as you can see, the name of the service here is Amazon. So what you want to do next is to come over here, then select the phone number country. But the one we are trying to get is the US phone number. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then select and then click on this drop down menu, then search for United States. So when you scroll down, you're going to see United States. All right, so this is United States. So click on United States, and as you can see, so this is what is going to cost you per SMS when you use this number. So this is the number we're going to be using for Amazon that we are trying to get on this platform. So what you want to do now is you want to scroll down here, then if you're trying to use this number for verification, the verification code when it's sent is going to appear here. So you can copy the number here, then head over to Amazon and paste the verification code on Amazon and use it to verify your Amazon account. All right, so this is basically how you can get a US phone number that you can use for any Amazon services you're trying to do. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.